Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your rehabilitation benefits with Concentra, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your rehabilitation benefits with Concentra, start by gathering all necessary documents. This includes your insurance card and any authorization forms related to your rehabilitation. Next, visit the Concentra website. Locate the Patient Resources section on the home page. From there, select Rehabilitation Services. Review the information provided about verification processes. If needed, click on the contact link to reach customer support. Prepare to call or email the customer support team. Have all your documents ready for reference during the conversation. When contacting support, provide your personal information for verification. This may include your name, date of birth, and insurance details. Ask specific questions regarding your rehabilitation benefits. Inquire about any limitations or requirements that may apply. If you're referring to a specific claim, mention the claim number. Take notes during the call for your records. If you prefer online verification, access your Concentra patient portal. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the benefits section of your account. Review the details related to your rehabilitation benefits. For any discrepancies, reach out to Concentra customer support. Follow up if you do not receive a response in a timely manner. Consider visiting your local Concentra center for in-person assistance. Bring your documentation and questions for clarification. Ensure you keep copies of all correspondence regarding your benefits. This will help you in future discussions or claims. Stay informed about any changes to your rehabilitation benefits policy. Regularly check your insurance provider's updates as well. Lastly, maintain ongoing communication with Concentra throughout your rehabilitation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.